When you find it, you'll love it. I'm Laurel Guy, and we're visiting 4 Cedar Lane, a spacious contemporary home in Cayuga Heights. It's in a secluded setting with over an acre of land, and it's open, white. It has a gorgeous custom cherry kitchen and a real indoor-outdoor feeling with a wraparound deck. Just 5 minutes from Cornell, and you're surrounded by peace, privacy, and sounds of nature. Listen. It has an airy open floor plan with large windows all around that bring the outdoors in and fill the house with light. You'll have a custom cherry kitchen that opens to the family room, the dining room, and the deck. This is the perfect house for entertaining, from kids' birthday parties and overnights to large gatherings. Upstairs is a large primary suite that opens to a second-floor balcony that has winter lake views. It also has a dressing room and walk-in closet. There are 3 more comfortable-sized bedrooms and a bath on the second floor. Rec room is big enough for a pool table, a ping pong table. It opens to a spacious lower deck. There's plenty of room for doing arts and crafts, a fitness area, a place to watch movies. There's even a fireplace. Plus, there's a guest room and another bath. 4 Cedar Lane. Everything you need is right here. Space, privacy, and a great location.